C5 at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2004 Commemorative Edition Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. A little over 23,000 on this one. We'll check the exact miles. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up. Let's hear it run. Le Mans blue with that commemorative shale interior. Of course, the 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, 350 horse, paired up with the automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a look at the nose cone. You can see the paint on this one shows well. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay. There's also a window sticker. Check out the RPO codes at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. With our commemorative package on this car, you did get the memory package as well as the Twilight Sentinel. Electrochromic mirrors, interior and exteriors. This particular one has the magnetic selective ride control. The transparent top, which you can see pictures with it in and pictures with it out on our website. Also has the front license plate frame. And of course, all the other options that you would have got standard on this particular Corvette back in 2004. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This one will also come with the, actually it has like a windshield shade, as well as there's that front license plate frame and car cover will also come with this car. Still pictures, you want to see the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Look up and down the driver's side, you can see it's pretty much free of any nicks, chips, scratches, up and down the passenger and driver's side. Of course, you may have a few small marks in the nose cone, like you do on so many, but again, check out the still pictures. Nothing major as far as on the paint of this one. Shows very well. Of course, memory seating, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, power driver's seat over here, as you can see. Let's go ahead, check out the exact miles. We're going to fire this up for you. This particular car will also have heads-up display, as you can see right there. Controls for that over here, so if you want to adjust it, change the brightness, that can sure be done also. There's your exact miles, 23,992. Driver's Information Center. Electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player. And then take a look at the dash. Not sun-baked, checked, cracked, anything like that. You can tell that this vehicle is stored indoors. Well maintained. I will have pictures of the seating surfaces also, but no out of the ordinary wear on those. As you can see, the bolsters, the seating area. Take a look behind the seats and how clean this is. Privacy cover in the back that will also raise up with the hatchback. There's also the cargo net in one of the compartments in the rear, and of course the transparent glass roof is sitting in its holder back there. Doesn't sound like any crazy exhaust or anything major done to this aftermarket. What you'd expect. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. You can see nice and clean. I don't think this thing's really been driven in much for any sort of inclement weather. Appears to be very clean under the hood. Nice and tidy under there. FYI, let's go ahead and pop those headlights up for you. So make sure that those work. Working order. Looking good. We got peek from the driver passenger side. Again, 5.7 liter, 350 horse paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission. Commemorative edition. Le Mans Blue, low miles, clean Carfax. This one won't last long. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.